टिळक शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली. Affiliated by स्वामी रामातीर्थ मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी नांदेड. Good morning all the student of class BSc TY. Subject Zoology. Paper, name of the paper Pisciculture. Number of the paper is the 13 bracket capital A bracket complete. Also that is the semester is the 5th. Unit number 2nd, fish seed resources. In this first bit is the natural fish seed resources, or it is also called riverine resources. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorad Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Yes, student, in the last period we see that is the fish farm engineering, then also the fish culture, how the fish culture they are takes place. Generally, first step is the fish seed. To get the fish seed, that is, it is also called collection of fish seed. Collection of fish seed of those fishes which happen to breed in the ponds, tank and other confined water is easy, but the collection of fish seed of cultivable indigenous major carp which breed only in the river is the complex, difficult and laborious process. Moreover, the collection made from river are usually mixed with the eggs of undesirable species. From the constructed breeding pond, the collection of fish seed is even easy. Numerous fish seed collection centers have been established on the bank of 3 river system of India, that is Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus. Of this, the Ganga system is the biggest source, covering many states. Fish seed is collected in the form of eggs, span, fry and fingerlings. Eggs are collected from breeding ground from 1 or the 2 feet deep water by disturbing the bottom and scooping them with a gamja. Breeding grounds have been located in the Banmore, Gwalior and Zoroni, Moreni in the MP, Madhya Pradesh. In Bihar, 2 breeding grounds have been located, one at river Badua and the other at Dingragat on the river Mahanadi. Span is collected from the Saver Center on the Ganga, Yamuna, Betwa, Gomati, Ganga, Ramganga, Ghagra, etc. These centers of collection are located at the Agra, Etawah, Dhumna, Dhumanpur, Fatehpur, Allahabad, Lucknow, Salempur, Morabad, Taipur, Bareilly, Bharchi, Ghagra Ghat in the UP. Fry and fingerlings are also collected from the several centers. They are located near the Gurgaon, Delhi, Morena, Kanpur, Gonada, Bharechi, Mirzapur, etc. in the UP. Similarly, important center of collection have been established in the Brahmaputra and Indus river system. Suitable site for collection of span. Generally, these fish seed are located from the shallow margin, usually where there is the curve in the course of river. Generally, these fish seed they are collected by the bhenji jal. With the help of the figure, we see that is the presence by the net. In bottom region, that is the presence of the ring. In the narrow mouth, like the ganesi, and these to form the gamja. This is also called the benji jal. Generally, for the suitable site for the collection, they are used this type of net. That is generally net used. Millions of developing eggs, hatchling and fry are collected with the help of specially designed net. The span collection net is popularly called benji jal. That is also above figure we see benji jal, or it is also called shooting net. The shooting net is a funnel shaped, made up of closed mesh or chief coarse cloth. Its length varies from 15 to 22 feet. Its both ends are open. The mouth, that is the anterior end, being much larger than the tail end, that is the posterior end. The net is fixed to the bamboo pole in the shallow margin of fluted river, with the mouth facing the current. The net is allowed to drift in the water so that it positions itself along the direction of the current. The net is then stretched along its axis and its posterior end also tied to the bamboo pole. At the posterior end of the net, there is usually a stitched in a ring of split bamboo or cane, and to this is attached during the operation. A tail piece is called gamja. So this gamja is often a rectangular piece of cloth of 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied 1 feet. The anterior end of the gamja is tied round the ring of the net while the posterior end is fixed. Several such nets are operated at a time. Eggs, fry and hatchlings moving along with the marginal current collect in the gamja, from where they are periodically scoped and transferred either to happas or hatcheries. Generally, fish seed may be injured if the net is not fixed properly. Huge debris also gets into the nets and chokes or injure the fry. This can be prevented by using a big mesh net screen at the anterior end of the net. The fry have to be removed from the gamja carefully. The debris is separated by filtering off in a fine meshed sieve. Thus generally in the fish seed resources, that is the natural resources, is the river. They are collected, this fish seed, that is the different stages like the fry, fingerlings and span, they are collected by using the net. This net is called gamja, or it is also called benji jal. They are collected from the naturally. Next period we see the artificial resources of fish seed. Yes, goodbye the student.